Bengaluru zone. Sir, at the outset, a very warm welcome to our branch, IDBI Bank Kolar branch, and a very big gratitude to all of you. Thank you for being with us together, because we are very happy to open a 2009th branch. This is 2009th branch of IDBI Bank, and so we are proud to open this branch in Kolar today. This is the second branch we have opened actually in Kolar district. The first one being Bangarpet branch. So we have a branch in Bangarpet. It is an older branch, actually around 8-9 years old branch. And after 8-9 years, we are opening a branch in Kolar. And this is, as I said, 2009th branch of IDBI Bank. Sir, I would just like a few seconds of yours to tell you about IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank was formed in 1964 as a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India in 1964 by a special act of Parliament. And since then, bank was a development financial institution. And if you see any infrastructure development that has happened in our country, any of the corporates, be it Tata, Reliance, or big corporates you can think about, all our corporates are our customers. They have been our customers for the past 60 years, because IDBI Bank was the only development finance in the country, development bank in the country. So we have financed all the infrastructure activities. We were in fact a policy bank for Government of India till 2005. And in 2005, bank converted completely into a commercial bank, and a bank started expanding its branches. We have been operating as a commercial bank since 1996, but now we have 2009 branches. So every day we are opening branches. This year we are opening around more than 250 branches the bank is going to open this year. So bank is completely in the expansion mode. And sir, as of now, the ownership, I would like to tell all of you, the ownership of IDBI Bank, we are owned around 96%, more than 95% by Government of India and LIC of India. This is our ownership pattern. And 95%, more than 95%, as I said, our biggest stakeholder is LIC of India, which is holding a stake of around 50%, and 45% Government of India. So 50%, that is why LIC of India is our promoter. So you will find all LIC products being sold through our branch. This branch also, all our branches. If you have any policy requirements, all policies can be serviced through our IDBI Bank branches. We collect all LIC premiums also. Okay. So because the bank actually, our promoter is LIC of India. So this branch will provide you all facilities, be it your current account opening, your savings account, FDs at very good rates, fixed deposits, then MSME loans. If you require loans for any activity, MSME activities, we will be glad to process the loans. Then we give all agri loans to our branches. We give all home loans, education loan, personal loan, auto loan. Every loan is handled through this branch. Also DMAT services. So our DMAT services, apart from that, your insurance needs, if you have, as I told, LIC is our partner. So all life insurance policies are sold through this branch. Also, we have our partners, we have a partner of Tata AIG. We have a partnership with Tata AIG and Max Niva Bupa for general insurance. So basically, all your financial needs will be met through this branch. Please feel free to, always contact our branch head. Our branch head is Mr. Anil, who is a veteran in the bank. He was earlier heading branches only. So he has a prior branch manager experience. He's an experienced person. Another officer we have Vignesh here. Vignesh also was earlier in Bangarpet branch, an experienced person. And we have other team members also here who will be serving you through this branch. So thank you very much. We are very delighted to be in Kolar. Please come to our branch with more of your friends, more of your relatives. Okay, and I'm sure all of you will be having accounts with other banks, but please experience our services as well. Because our services, I can tell you, I can assure you, confidently, our services are much better than all the other peers that we have. Okay, so please come and experience for your own self. Thank you very much.